Hello guys, welcome back to the new playlist of According to Me with the tagline Correct Me If I'm Wrong. In this video, I'm going to discuss about our show video. Those persons who didn't know about our show, actually we and our team organized a show in the previous year 2019 or you may call it 2019 in the last month December at the date of 29. So there are in our show there are a lot of contestants comes and perform their performance on the stage. Also, we invited some of special performers who go there and make them a hall. So, I'm going to discuss about that videos. I selected out or sort out some of the videos on our show, and point out some plus points and minus points as well. You know, every video has plus points and minus points. And also noted down some tips which I'm going to discuss in this videos. But I want to clear up one thing before starting the video. The thing is that, guys, I'm not going to show any type of artist performance videos in this video, because if I'm doing so this videos become so longer, and I didn't want to that make this video so longer, because this video is already making so longer. So, but you don't have to worry about anything, because if you want to watch all of the videos of artists, then just simply go to the TDM queries page which is popping somewhere around the frame on your Facebook account or on your Instagram account, or simply go to the search bar, type TDM queries, there is a page will be open, scroll down and you will catch all of the awesome videos of our artist of our Open Sync 110 show. So let's, without wasting any time, let's start the video. So in this video, we are going to talk about our contestant Diya, which is an awesome lyrical field dancer. So without wasting any type of time, let's move straight forward to our point, plus points. So before telling Diya your video plus point, I want to tell a small but important thing, that you just don't have to hear that plus points. Instead of hearing that plus point, you have to listen all of the plus points. Listen here refers to आपको ध्यान से सुनना है सारे plus points, सुन के एक आंसर बुक से आंसर निकालना है. You have to proper focus on all of the plus points which I am going to mention in this video. So, and also you have to remain all the plus points, because this is your plus point which is found in your video performance. It's all about you. So you have to remain all of the plus points with you, because it's very helpful in your future artist field. So the first plus point of Diya is impressive expressions. Believe it, guys, Diya giving an impressive expressions while she is performing on the stage. She has to accepting that she got an awesome impressive expressions. So this is your first plus point, Diya. Keep remaining yourself, because as I already told, it is very helpful in your future videos. So moving to our other plus point of Diya is full steps. Guys, look, as being a dancer, I am also a dancer too. So as being a dancer, I know that a single song has a lot of lines, and in each line has a lot of words. And this girl, Diya, is catching all of the lines and performing all of the steps on the word which is present in a single line, and the line present in a single song. So just by doing that thing, it's not an easy task to do that, a big thing, because you don't have to catch all of the words which is available in a single line, and this girl is doing this. As being a dancer, I think this is a very big plus point Diya got in herself. So Diya, please remain that plus point in yourself, because as I already told you, this will giving a major impact in your artist field if you keep remain all of the plus point in yourself. So the last but not the least plus point of Diya is she is a kind of lyrical field dancer. As I already told in the intro part of that video, that I am awesome a lyrical field dancer. When we talk about a lyrical field dance form, then a name pop in our mind. The first name that is Sushant Khatri, which is famous for that type of dance style. Everyone knows Sushant Khatri. If you are knowing about the dancing field, he is famous for his dance form lyrical field, and Diya is catching that dance forms nearby. And this is a very big plus point, I think, that because she is performing or all the steps upon all the lyrics which is available on that song which that girl is performing right on the stage. Okay, so this is a very big plus point I think. So yeah, that's all about to keep all the plus points remaining you because all of the plus points will giving a great major impact in the future, not in the present but in the future. So keep remain all of the plus points because it's all about you, Diya. So now moving to our next topic, which is minus points. So before telling about all of the minus points about Diya, about your video, Diya, I want to add a short disclaimer. That is, Diya, if you talk about some plus points of any artist video, then there didn't any problem occurs. But if you shift to that plus point to minus point, then it has a chance that artist can take all of the things personally. But Diya, believe me, you don't have to take all of the things personally. You don't have to take all of the minus point personally. But on the other side, you can take all of the minus points seriously for your professionals. Because a line has popped in my around, I am telling you that. I am also at that level just by making recovering, just by making improving my all of minus points. The other person telling me that about my minus points, so I didn't take them personally. I just take it seriously for my professions, and now I am at that level. Those persons who know me closely, they know all about me. So just by improving your mistake isn't a bad thing. So please, you don't have to take all of the things personally. You have to take all of the things seriously for your profession. That's very important. So the first minus point of here is costume selection. Yes. I may be wrong in that case, but you tell me that I may wrong or not, because I think that's a valid reason. I think somewhere your costume didn't match the song genre, because the song is all about the emotional. Song is giving the emotional touch, and your costume representing a raw performance or a solid performance or a flawed performance. But you perform on an emotional song. So I somewhere think that this costume didn't match your performance. So if you think that this is a valid minus point, then please recover that point, and next time select costumes upon the whatever the song is at that time. Okay, so that's the first minus point, and the next minus point is very deep minus point, and the next minus point is try find yourself. So it means it's a very deep meaning. So please listen all of the things in that zone, because it's a very deep meaning. Try finding yourself here means that majority of people doesn't know that you have a multi-talent artist. See, that girl got a multi-talent. She has a multi-talented artist because she's dancer as well as a model too. She attends a lot of modeling shows and achievement. Little achievement, but it's a very big achievement for her. So in that side, you have to find yourself. You just take a gap from all of the things, as already right now taking all of the artists is having a gap in their artist field because of lockdown. So you are already taking that gap. So in that gap, ask yourself that in which field you want to go with. Are you want to go with the dancing field, or are you want to with the modeling field? Or if the answer is that you want to go with both fields, so you don't have to worry about that thing. But if the answer is, if the resultant answer would be that, then you have to attain both of the things at the same time, modeling field and dancing field. You have to focus on both of the fields, and you have to. There's a lot of techniques and tips in that case, and you have to follow all the techniques and tips if you want to take both of the things with you for your future business, to achieving all of your dreams. Okay, so just take a gap and try find yourself that who you are. Try find yourself that who you are. Are you a dancer, or are you a model, or are you ready to take both of the things in yourself? Okay, so this is your minus point. It is all about it is because you are a multi-talented artist. That's why I found this thing very important in your video, or this is just for you. Okay, so please focus on that point and don't take all of the minus point personally, because it's so important to know our mistakes in our artistry. Okay, so now moving to our next topic, that is tips for Diya, a lyrical dancer. Okay, so first thing I want to do here is that keep searching for your multi-talent. Okay, so as now everyone knows that singers are for a multi-talent enhancer. So you have to keep researching on your both of the talent. You have to do some simple little steps that going to give you a great major impact in your future artist field. Okay. You just have to watch at least a single video in a day on YouTube, as you are already searching YouTube for other business, but now you have to search YouTube for your own business. You have to watch only a single video relating to your dance field, at least 5 to 7 minutes, attaining a knowledge, because taking a knowledge in any field is very important for a better growth. Okay, and also you have to take some videos or single videos of relating to your modeling field, because you got more talent in yourself, so you have to at least watch 2 videos of at least 5 minutes on YouTube platform for your own business. After that, you have to watch whatever you want to watch, but that thing you must have to do if you want a growth in your artist field. Okay, so that's the first tip I want to give and I'm giving. Now moving to the next tip for Diya, that is balance your study life and your artist life. Okay, this topic is very important for all of you artists who are out there. Please focus on that point, because as soon we are getting some name fame in our artist field, soon we are losing attention from our study life, which is not a good thing for our future. Look, suppose here you have a lot of dreams and you think you can achieve all of your dreams by just following your passion, and after that, after doing that thing, after taking some long steps, after taking a long journey, you reach at that point. But somehow you can't able to achieve your dreams and you fall from there, then there's nothing to cover you. But if you keep focusing and know how to balance the study life and artist life together, if you know that how to take both the things together, then you could probably achieve all of your dreams after reaching at that point. Because if you reach at that point, and there's the chance that you may fall from that point and you unable to achieve all of your dreams financially or even mentally, then there's a chance that study don't cover you. Study don't act like a backbone for your future, vision for your field. Okay, let it, I'm going to simple it. You don't have to lose attention from your study life, because study is also important in growing in your artist field. Okay, so keep focusing on both of these things together at the same time. And the final tip I want to give you here is that you must have to drop a dance cover video song on your YouTube channel, because it is so important to drop a dance cover song for each artist, each and every artist out there. In artist field, we have to focus on our talent, and if we have a talent, then why don't you go to express the talent on all over globally, worldwide? And if you got the free platform like a YouTube, why don't you are not using the platform? So it's that here that you must have to create your own channel, and you must have to drop at least a single dance or song each one. Soon as you are getting to do that, as you are getting to do that thing, as you are getting to dropping all of the videos, you will realize that it is very much important for taking a big move in your artist. So please, I'm giving the tip. Please take it the valid tip that you must have to drop an app of a song on your YouTube platform. After that, you want to do other things. Okay, so this is all about you here. This is a dedicated video for you for your performance. Keep learning, keep remaining all of your best points in yourself, keep improving all of the minus points and recovering yourself, and try to not do all of the mistakes again in your next performance, and keep implementing all of the tips which I already gave you, so that you can make your life, also you can make your artist life 2 times better than a normal life. So it's time to do all of the things and focus all of the things. So we are meet you in my next series, which I don't go into the review yet. Okay, so तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, see you soon.